If you're a mussel fan, we have a recipe for you. Perfectly cooked mussels, cauliflower, radish with a mussel and gochujang sauce. So let's begin. Put the strained cooking juices from your mussels in a small saucepan. Add the gochujang paste. Some brands are a bit more spicy than others, so taste as you go. Add a tiny bit of butter and whisk in. So we're not looking for a really thick sauce here, but just thick enough to coat the mussels. So now we're going to gently reheat our mussels. So very low heat, we don't want to overcook them. If you want a good technique for cooking mussels, I have another video. The link is down below. So we're going to start plating, nothing too fancy. So we're going to start with the mussels, and in between the mussels we're going to put some shavings of cauliflower and radish. The cauliflower and radish are raw, and add a nice crunch to the dish. So have all the mussels going in different directions, same with the garnish. And we're going to put some chives on top. And now we're going to spoon on that delicious sauce. Gochujang and mussel is a match made in heaven. The aroma, the color, and the taste obviously just work so well. So we're going to finish with some nice olive oil. And that's all you need. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, make sure to like and subscribe. If you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. And if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. I will address them as soon as possible. Happy cooking!